eggs, chaffles, and pulled pork. It's what's for breakfast. Hello everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Walter, the cooking show that's bold enough to go where I've never gone before, yet brave enough to go where everyone has gone before. Today it's time for breakfast, and I'm serving chaffles with pulled pork and eggs, topped with salsa verde and sour cream. I'll be using the pulled pork that I prepared in episode 2, Ninja Pulled Pork. Check that one out if you want to see how it's made. Some of you may be wondering, what in the world is a chaffle? Well, it's a cheese waffle, with the cheese baked right in. They are perfectly keto, but you don't have to be keto to enjoy them. So let's get started. First, take the pork and put it into a pan with some fat or oil. I'm using the fat that I saved from cooking the pork. While that is cooking, I'll make the chaffle. Beat 1 egg with 3 tablespoons of almond flour and some of my barbecue seasoning, but use whatever seasoning you want. Then, stir in 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. I've added a handful of crushed pecans for a little crunch. Don't forget about the pork. We want it crispy, but not burnt. Pour the batter into the waffle iron. This will make 1 waffle in my machine, but I think it will make 2 in the Dash Mini. It should cook in about 5 to 6 minutes. Once the pork is crispy, remove it from the pan and add a little more fat if you need it. Then crack the eggs. Prepare them any way you like. I'm doing these over easy. When the chaffle is done, put it on a plate and top it with the pork, but save a little pork for garnish. Top the pork with the eggs, garnish with the remaining pork, a little salsa verde, and some sour cream. Breakfast is served. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment to let me know what you want to see. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?